What are you doing? Are you stuck? Hey, look at mommy. Do you want out? Mom? Hey, hi. Let me see that face. Are you trying to escape? Evan? Hey. What's that? What's that? Hey, look. Who are you talking to? Yeah? Do you want me to move your car? Yeah? Crosby's gonna help you. Hi. Here, let's move your car. Is it stuck? Yeah? Here, let's push it. Let's push it. Oh, there we go. Can you push it? There you go. It was just stuck. It was just stuck. Right, Ev? Hi, Crosby.